they doubting it. Your self-esteem, they try to challenge it.
You ain't good enough.
You wanna mount this shit, you ain't strong enough.
You ain't talented.
They try to make you quit, try to blur your focus, but pay attention, you'll surely notice that the people spouting off all them tired lines be the same ones sitting on the sidelines. I ain't down with them, I'm found in the ring. I swing round after round after round to get it in. I might get knocked down and knocked down again, but I guarantee that ref ain't gonna count to 10. I'm kinda crazy. You ain't want no part of it, taking a bad beat, I've been training the art of it. Blood of a king in my veins and my heart and shit. Muscles and ligaments, tendons and cartilage. 10,000 hours, fuck 10,000 hours. I can't count these hours, I got 10,000 doubters. They each get devoured, my speech gonna empower. My reach gonna get wider, my beat's gonna get louder. When I get on top of that hill, I'll stop and have me a drink and just chill. Till then everything I want gon' get took, and that sled that I'm pushing ain't come with no cushion. Let me tell you something, man, I've been doing this for a long ass time. Took some hard ass falls after long ass climbs. On New Year's Eve I say all things hide and I'm gonna get mine.
I've been kicked, then spit on. I seen whatever could go wrong, go wrong. That's alright, I get up, yes I do. I push on. I've been rich, I've been broke, yes I have. I've seen all my money go up in smoke. That's alright, yeah. I get up, I push on.
I ain't no god, it don't take much to ruin me. I done blown out of golden opportunities, participated in blatant buffoonery. Looked in that mirror like, what did you do to me? Hated myself, I've been rated myself. Most of my obstacles I created myself. I done been to the bottom, I swam in it murk. Hung with them leeches and creatures that lurk. I've been doing that work, I'm dirty and sweaty. Anything you tell me, I heard it already. I fought my way out of impossible corners. I'm not gonna go stopping and start following orders. I ain't got no limits, no stopping and no borders. That clock gonna keep ticking, that clock gonna get shorter and shorter. No warning, no weather reporter to prepare you for the inevitable. When you see it pass in a brief flash, if you feel me, then feel free at last. I ain't been the same since my man E passed. I used to let life really just speed past. I got a clean slate, an empty flask. You wanna bet on me, you're gonna see some cash. You wanna bet against me, gonna try your luck. I really don't give a fuck.
I've been kicked, then spit on. I seen whatever could go wrong, go wrong. That's alright, yes it is. I get up, yes I do. I push on. I've been rich, I've been broke. I've seen all my money go up in smoke. That's alright, I get up, I push on. You damn right, check it out, hey. Oh my, oh my, oh yes, yes, yes. I should have